Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video we will learn about divisibility rules. So first divisibility rule is by 2. If the last digit is even, that means if there will be 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8 in the last digit, then the whole number is divisible by 2. For example, 532. In this last digit is 2, that is even. So it will be divisible by 2. 648. Last digit is 8. It is even, so it will be divisible by 2. So now let's revise divisibility by 2. If the last digit is even number, then it is divisible by 2. For example, 92, 100, 5644, 7396. Next, we will check the divisibility by 3. If the sum of its digit is divisible by 3, then the whole number is divisible by 3. Let's take an example, 45,672. So let's check. We have to find the sum of all the digits. So we will add them. So let's check. 4 plus 5, 9, 9 plus 5, 6, 15, 15 plus 7, 22, 22 plus 2, 24. So the sum is 24 and 24 comes in the table of 3. That means this whole number is divisible by 3. Let's check another example, 753. We will find the sum of all the digits. 7 plus 5, 12. 12 plus 3 is equals to 15. And 15 comes in the table of 3. That means this whole number is divisible by 3. Now divisibility by 3. If the sum of all the numbers is divisible by 3, then the whole number is divisible by 3. For example, 58,515, 1,377, 8,001, 45,672. Now let's find divisibility by 4. If last two digits is also divisible by 4, then the whole number is divisible by 4. So let's take an example, 2832. Last two digit is 32. 32 comes in the table of 4. That means it is divisible by 4. So the whole number is divisible by 4. Now divisibility by 4. If the last two digits are divisible by 4, then the whole number is divisible by 4. For example, 2832, 5840, 1272, 9664. Now coming towards divisibility by 5. If the last digit is 0 or 5, then the whole number is divisible by 5. For an example, 6890. Last digit is 0, so the whole number is divisible by 5. 5235. Last digit is 5, so the whole number is divisible by 5. Now divisibility by 5. If the last digit is 0 or 5, then the whole number is divisible by 5. For example, 5850, 6995, 7420, 1255. Now let's check the divisibility by 6. If it is divisible by 2 and 3 both, then the whole number is divisible by 6. For an example, 9996. So the last digit is 6, which is an even number, so it is divisible by 2. Now we will find the sum to check whether it is divisible by 3 or not. 9 plus 9 is 18, 18 plus 9 is 27, 27 plus 6 is 33. So 33 is divisible by 3, so that means it is divisible by 2 as well as 3. So the answer will be divisible by 6 also. Now divisibility by 6. If the digit is divisible by 2 and 3 both, then the whole number is divisible by 6. For example, 1002, 9996, 1254, 1500. Now divisibility by 8. If the last three digit is divisible by 8, then the whole number is divisible by 8. So let's take an example, 1248. So last three digit is 248. So let's check whether 248 is divisible by 8 or not. So it is divisible by 8. That means the whole number is divisible by 8. Now divisibility by 8. If the last 3 digit is divisible by 8, then the whole number is divisible by 8. For example, 1248, 2096, 3064, 6688. So let's check the divisibility by 9. If the sum of its digit is divisible by 9, then the whole number is divisible by 9. For an example, 1026. So let's find the sum. 1 plus 0 is 1, plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 6 is 9. So 9 comes in the table of 9, that means it is divisible by 9, so the whole number is divisible by 9. Divisibility by 9. If the sum of all the digits is divisible by 9, then the whole number is divisible by 9. For example, 1026, 2331, 2961, 6795. Now divisibility by 10. If the last digit is 0, then it is divisible by 10. For example, 530. Last digit is 0, it is divisible by 10. 9860. Last digit is 0, then it is divisible by 10. Now divisibility by 10. If the last digit is 0, then the whole number is divisible by 10. For example, 5300, 2460, 9680, 4500, 550.